In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Workforms in monday.com if you're new to monday.com or just looking to streamline your workflow with Workforms. You're in the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, we need to head over to monday.com by simply typing the URL in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, click on the Login button. If you have a Google account linked, this is where things get even simpler. Click on Google and select your Google account from the list. With these steps, you'll be logged into your monday.com account and ready to work on your projects. Next, navigate to your board. If you're familiar with monday.com, you already know that your boards are where your projects are organized. Boards are central to how monday.com functions, as they help keep everything in one place and allow for easy management of tasks and deadlines. Your board might look slightly different from mine due to customization, but you'll find the tools are similar across boards. Once you're on your board, look for the Form button and click on it. This is where our journey into creating Workforms begins. Forms are a fantastic feature of monday.com that allow you to collect information seamlessly from your team or clients. After clicking on Form, you'll see an option to start from scratch. Go ahead and click it. This option gives you a blank canvas where you can tailor the form according to your needs. Now you can view your form. Take a moment to look at the layout and structure. At this stage, it's important to think about what information you want to gather. Understanding the purpose of your form will guide how you build it. To proceed, click on Edit Form. Here's the exciting part. You can now start adding text, uploading a logo, or inserting questions and labels. This section is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing creativity with functionality. Customizing your form ensures that it not only looks professional, but also serves its purpose effectively. Once the form is set up to your liking, glance towards the top right corner of the screen to find the Share Form button. Clicking this will give you the option to share your masterpiece, but wait, there's one more step. You'll see the Copy Link button. Click on it to copy the link and share it with your intended audience. Sharing is simple and flexible, enabling collaboration outside the monday.com workspace. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through crafting a work form in monday.com from signing in to sharing your form link. This powerful tool now lets you collect and organize data effortlessly. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy organizing.